Welcome back to AS English. This video is about a conversation that happens at school. Let's see two friends talking. Good morning. Good morning. How are you? I am fine. How about you? I am fine too. Did you come to school early today? Yes, I came early. Why did you come early? I had extra work to finish. That's good. Why did you come? I came to meet my teacher. Which teacher did you meet? I met my English teacher. Is she kind? Yes, she is very kind. That is nice to hear. Thanks for watching. Please share and subscribe.